In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bumper stickers in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you open Canva, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along and design your own custom bumper sticker by the end. First, open Canva in your browser or on the app. Once you're on the main homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. A search bar will appear where you can type in the kind of design you want to make. In that search bar, type the word stickers. Canva will show you a list of different sticker-related templates and preset sizes. From the results, look for the option labeled bumper sticker. This template is already sized appropriately for a typical bumper sticker, which saves you from guessing the right dimensions. Click on the bumper sticker design option to open a new blank canvas or a template in the correct size. Once your bumper sticker canvas is open, you're ready to start designing. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different options like templates, elements, text, and so on. Click on Elements. This is where you'll find graphics, shapes, icons, and illustrations that you can add to your design. Inside the Elements panel, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type stickers. Canva will now show you a wide variety of sticker-style graphics, including colorful illustrations, shapes with outlines, and fun icons that already look like stickers. Take a moment to scroll through and explore the options. You can click any sticker element to add it directly to your bumper sticker canvas. From here, you can resize each sticker by dragging the corners, rotate it if needed, and move it around to find the best placement. If you want to add text on top of your sticker graphics, you can use the text tool from the left menu and choose a font that matches the style you're going for. That's all you need to get started. Create a design, choose the bumper sticker template, open the Elements tab, and search for stickers to build out your layout. Once you're happy with your design, you can save it, download it, and use it however you like.